The function is given as here fx is equal to e to the power x, okay, at x is equals to 0. So now what we can state here, f dash x will be equal to obviously e to the power x, and we can write it as f dash x will be equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power h minus e to the power 0 divided by h. Here it can be written as like the expansion of e to the power s h is 1 plus h square divided by 2 factorial plus h cube divided by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. Then sorry, here it should be a minus sign, so we don't need to even explain it further. So 1 plus h square divided by 2 factorial minus dot dot dot. Then here e to the power 0 is minus 1, so minus 1, sorry, e to the power 0 is 1, so minus 1 divided by h. So what we will get here, it will go like a limit h tends to 0